Begin by lying on your back. Bring your ankle on top of your thigh, and while maintaining your neutral spine, stack the knee over the hip. From here, you want to make sure that the lower back is not pressing into the ground and the sacrum is not rolling up. So make sure to keep that sacrum down, and that's how you know where neutral is. You're going to pull this knee into the foot, driving the leg only as close as you can keep that neutral space. From here, you actively drive foot towards your face and try to hold that position as you extend the leg. At this point forward, you're going to keep the leg here and use our hands to increase the passive range of motion. Think about driving your knee away and your foot towards your face as you pull the leg closer. This is your greatest passive range. You won't be able to hold here entirely, but you are fighting like crazy. As you pull the foot to you, slowly let go of the grip and then try to float it without it moving away from you at all. You'll repeat 3 to 5 times. Pulling to you, trying to increase your external rotation, actively try to hold that passive range as you let go of any assistance, and then repeat.